Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add a tracking number to the order on Shopify. First, open your Shopify account in the web browser. Now click on Orders from the dashboard. Your orders will show up here. Now open help.shopify.com. You need to follow these steps to add a tracking number. From the order page, click an order that has a fulfillment status of partially fulfilled or unfulfilled. In the unfulfilled section, click Mark as fulfilled to open the order's fulfillment page. In the tracking information section, enter your shipment's tracking number. Shopify might recognize it and choose a shipping carrier for you. If it doesn't, you can select one from the shipping carrier drop-down menu. All the tracking numbers must be from the same carrier. If your carrier isn't supported by Shopify, then you can enter a tracking URL manually. Lastly, click Fulfill Items. This method was for desktop. You can select your device type from all these types. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.